So you can see here the rod is here, so the diameter at the beginning is d. So I write here d1 is the diameter at the beginning, okay, and the diameter at end is d2, okay. So these are the diameters, and length of this member is L. So this is the data given to determine to drive an expression for deformation of this bar. So this is tapered in section. So what we can do, so let's say at a distance x I consider a thin strip, okay, like this, a very thin strip, and I write expression for this, and I will integrate of that expression to get the deformation of whole body. So but before that I discuss here, like we know that delta is equal to PL over AE, we know that, which is also a basic relation. So this is the basic relation, and this is applied for a simple uniform section rod. You can apply deformation, you can determine deformation in a uniform bar using this relation. So what I do here, I have taken a thin strip at a distance x of a thickness delta x, like this, and at this instant the diameter of this portion, let's say dx, okay. So I write here, so what will be the relation for deformation of this thin strip? So I can write here, suppose the deformation of this thin strip, let's say deformation of thin strip is equal to delta, okay, and so del of delta will be equal to P, which is passing, and L and delta x over area, it means AX, sorry. So delta is equal to P and delta x over AX and E. तो P और E कांस्टेंट है, एंड ये चीज़ वेरी कर रही है अपने आप में. सो आई कैन इंटीग्रेट this standard relation to get the deformation of whole bar. So I can write here the delta of whole assembly can be integrated 0 to L, and this portion for 0 to L. So this is the desired standard. So this is the desired standard. So now we know that the area at x will be AX, and therefore I can write here AX is equal to pi dx square by 4. So now we have to find what will be the value of dx. So definitely we can find the dx. So suppose we have already mentioned the diameter at the beginning is d1 and at the end is d2. So the rate of change of the slope, like, okay, rate of change of this diameter will be can be written like this, like t2 minus d1 over L into x. So that is the rate of change, nothing but the rate of change. So I can write here dx, for dx I can write here dx is equal to this rate of change, okay, and then plus d1. So I can write this standard relation for dx, okay. So how do we you can find this, like in this way. So let's say for this figure, let's say I write here like the slope of this portion, suppose this is the tapered section like this, you can see your assembly, your picture like this. So suppose this dx I have to find, but if I can calculate this portion, suppose the length of this portion is a, okay. So the length of this is d1, I already know. So if this I can determine, I can make twice of this portion and will add d1, so that I can get the whole diameter at a distance x. Okay, so like this, and this is d2. Okay, so this is the picture. Now what I can do, using the property of similar triangle, this over this and this over this. So what is the this, and that is actually the d2 minus d1 by 2, correct, is the this portion, and this over this and divided by 1 by L, this over this. Now this over this is equal to a over this portion, that is the x. So I can write here a is equal to d2 minus d1 over 2L. Okay, 2L because of like we are taking this, so this is the standard relation, and into x. Okay, for both sides I can make here 2a. Okay, so for 2a it means a plus a, so into 2 in this relation also. So I can write here, so 2 and 2 will cancel out, so the total distance we have this plus this. Now if we add d1 in this relation, we have now the same relation. Okay, d2 minus d1 over L into x plus d1, and that is nothing but the dx. Okay, so this is the way to calculate this. Now dx is equal to the, from this procedure I can write here d2 minus d1 over L into x plus d1. Okay, so for this relation, for simplification of integration, I can write here this is the k x plus d1. Okay, and dx will be equal to the dx. So finally we can write here like this. So I substitute for all the values, then I get like this, integration 0 to L, p basically we can take outside, and delta x over ax is nothing but I can write d1 plus kx, okay, square by 4, and pi, okay, pi dx square by 4, and then e. So now I simplify this. So I simplify this like on this page so that you can follow. So 4 will come up. Okay, so 4p and pi e will be taken outside, and final relation here will be 0 to L. Okay, and then here I can write like d1 plus kx to power minus 2, okay, delta x. So that is the standard relation we have, p and pi e. So like this. So once I simplify this, 4p over pi e, and after the simplification I can write here like so for, you can see here the integration. So for this, so x to power, so this will be x to the like x to power integration x square like x to power n plus 1 over n plus 1. So we can write here like 1 over d1 plus kx, okay, and with minus 1, because we can simplify this like in terms of x, and the k will come outside as a constant, like, okay, and that is 0 to L is the final limit. So this is actually the d1 plus kx, okay, so 2 minus 2 plus 1 over minus 2 plus 1. So this is minus 1, so that will come downside, and that is the minus, so minus will come here. So like the integration we have seen. So once I I substitute the limit 4p pi e k, now I can replace k basically is nothing but the d2 minus d k is equal to d2 minus d1 over L basically, and minus sign I can write here like this. So the final relation you can see, so 1 over d1 plus k, k we have to open, so d2 minus d1 over L basically in bracket and x. So x will come of the limit, so L, and then minus 1 over, so we have to this will be 0 and the d1, so the final here will be d1. So L and L will cancel out, so d1 and d1 will also cancel. So here the relation will be 1 over d2 and minus 1 over d1 in bracket and 4p L will come up and pi e, okay, d2 minus d1 and minus, so that will be the relation. And I can write here, so taking LCM, so d1 d2, so from here I can write d1 minus d2, okay, then rest will remain same, so like 4p L and pi e, and d2 minus will also be there, d2 minus d1. So again I use this page, okay, so small page I always prefer to use. So ये हो गया, यहाँ पे कितना हो गया 4pl pi e. Now if I multiply this in this term minus, so here will be d2 minus d1, I can write here, and then d2 minus d1 will cancel out. So here the final 4pl pi e. So if by multiplying this minus inside of this bracket, and we will get like okay, I do it. So d2 minus d1 over d1 d2, and here this bracket now can be written like this, d2 minus d1, and both will cancel out. So 4pl pi e d1 d2, which is the final desired relation delta for tapered bar. So, and one more thing I will add here, if I put, if let's say d1 is equal to d2, so if this is the condition, so if d1 is equal to d2, then here will be d square, so the relation will be like this, 4pl pi e d square. So pi d square by 4 is nothing but the area, so I can write here pl over ae. It means a uniform bar, okay, of uniform cross sectional area, so pl over a. So this has been verified, and thanks for